Hey everyone. If you're trying to log into LinkedIn but it's not working, like wrong password, login error, or endless loading, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix LinkedIn login problems in 2026. First, carefully check your email and password. Small typing mistakes are very common and can block login access. If it still doesn't work, click on Forgot Password and reset it. I mean, LinkedIn will send a reset link to your email so you can create a new password. Next, check your internet connection. Weak or unstable internet can prevent the login page from loading properly. Clear your browser cache or app data. I mean, old stored files can interfere with the login process and cause errors. Try using another browser or device. Sometimes the issue is related to your current browser or phone. Disable VPN or browser extensions. I mean, these can block or interrupt LinkedIn login functionality. Also check LinkedIn's server status. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until it is fixed. So yeah, that's how you fix LinkedIn login problems in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you should be able to log in successfully again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy fixes.